Hello, my name is Norman, and this is my CS50'sql final project. Homekeeper is a database that helps household members keep track of everything they own in their apartment or house. It solves a simple but common problem. It replaces scattered receipts, spreadsheets, and memory with a single comprehensive database. The database helps answer questions such as, is the refrigerator still under warranty? Who serviced the furnace last year and how much did it cost? And what maintenance tasks are coming up in the near future? The project scope includes properties, rooms, item categories, the items themselves, warranties, service companies, and the maintenance schedule and history. However, multi-user accounts, insurance claims processing, and data from smart home sensors are outside the scope. The database consists of 7 tables. The properties table stores properties, rooms stores rooms assigned to a specific property, and categories is a dictionary of item categories, such as home appliances or electronics. The central table is items, which represents each tracked item, including its brand, model, serial number, and purchase price. Linked to each item are warranties, as well as maintenance_tasks and maintenance_logs, respectively, a schedule of planned maintenance tasks and a history of those actually performed, along with the cost and the service provider from the service_providers table. The relationships between the tables are one-to-many. For example, a single property can have multiple rooms, and a single item can have multiple entries in its maintenance history. The database has been created, along with tables, indexes, and views. Now I am loading sample data and queries from the queries.sql file. This file inserts sample data, shows typical select queries, and then demonstrates update and delete operations on additional sample records. Let's now look at a few specific queries, exactly the same ones that appear at the end of the queries.sql file. First, what maintenance tasks are scheduled for the next 30 days? I'm using the predefined upcoming_maintenance view here. We see 2 scheduled tasks: cleaning the refrigerator's condenser and painting the kitchen ceiling, along with their due dates, priorities, and locations. Second, let's check the total cost of ownership for each item. That is, the sum of the purchase price and all maintenance expenses. The item_total_spend view is used for this purpose. Here we see a refrigerator with the historical cost of servicing it added to the purchase price. And finally, let's check which warranties are set to expire within the next 60 days using the active_warranties view. The warranty on the refrigerator is still valid and will expire in a few dozen days. Importantly, these 3 queries return results regardless of when we play back this recording, because the sample data is based on dates relative to today, not on fixed calendar dates. As you can see, the database easily answers the questions that every homeowner asks themselves in real life. To ensure that queries run quickly, I added indexes on the date columns and foreign keys, as well as 3 views to simplify the most common queries. The project also has its limitations. It does not support multiple users or multiple currencies, and deleting an item clears its warranty history. These are deliberate simplifications that can be expanded upon in the future. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching.